Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery. And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about overcoming your porn addiction and ultimately why you are the only one that has the power to make the choice to decide and end your fight with pornography and masturbation forever. You see, I talk a lot on this channel about overcoming porn addiction and becoming the man that is no longer addicted to porn. And we provide you with daily videos on actionable steps, on incorporating nutrition, on incorporating your fitness, on training, on mindset practices, on rewiring your brain, on reshaping your heart. We're providing you with all the tools, but none of what we give you, none of the content that we provide, none of the actionable steps that we show you will work if you haven't made the choice, if you haven't decided today that your fight and battle with pornography is over for good. I know that there's a lot of value in SAA groups or in 12-step programs. Trust me, I've explored them. I've gone and attended meetings. I have friends that are, 10, 15, 20-year veterans in some of these programs, and I support them in all that they do. The problem and hiccup that I see with a lot of your traditional 12-step programs and recovery-style groups is the constant reminder that pornography or masturbation or your sexual urges or your fantasies or whatever word you want to label there, the problem with the majority of these groups is the constant reminder that these things, these outside forces, have control over you. And I'm here to tell you today that that is not the case. Your destiny, the person that you are destined to be, is ultimately the person that you decide to be. The power is within you. It's ultimately going to have to come from you making the choice that your life is not panning out in the way that you want it to, or the way that you were designed to live, that you are not the man that ultimately you could be. This is hard because you have to really look yourself in the mirror. You have to look yourself face to face and say you are not living up to your potential. Potential, that's a hard word for a lot of us to digest. That's a hard word for a lot of us to ultimately understand. But potential, we were all given unique God-given abilities, a purpose here on this world. And pornography and masturbation is doing nothing to bring you closer to that ultimate version of yourself. If anything, it's putting a barrier, it's putting a wall up between you and the ultimate version of yourself. So everything we do here on this channel is about becoming that person that is no longer addicted to porn. But I can't do it for you. I can't step into your body. I can't step into your day. And when the urge comes to watch pornography, say, no, this is not the path that we're going to get. It's got to start with you. It's got to start with a choice. It's got to start with a decision. And ultimately, if you decide to overcome and end your battle with pornography and masturbation, you can create a superhuman life. You can create a life beyond your wildest dreams. I've done it. I know what it feels like. I've taken other men through this process as well. And that's what we are dedicated here at Rebuilt Recovery, to helping men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Faith starts with having the belief. Faith starts with having the mindset that although you can't see the outcome, you believe that with enough time, enough diligent work, and follow through and execution, that ultimately what you envisioned in your life can become yours. And fitness, understanding that we are all a spirit living through a physical body, having a human experience. And if we don't harness our physical for all that it potentially could be, if we don't take care of our health, if we don't take care of our mind, if we don't take care of our heart, if we don't take care of our body, none of the other things matter. So we have to start with a belief that we can change and then start to take control of our body. This is the number one priority for all of our clients. It's health, longevity, optimization, gut health, brain health, heart health, physical health. All of this will be individualized and customized to you. But guys, if you are ready to move on and grow up and become the man that you were created to be, you must decide today to end your fight with pornography and masturbation. Guys, if you're looking for some tools, if you're looking for some help with this, check out the first link in the description box down there below, www.the7stepguide.com. It's a free book we've written, 7 Steps to Living Life Without Porn. It's real, actionable steps that you can start applying today once you made the decision to change your life, and you can start to build the life without porn. Guys, I hope this video was valuable to you. I hope that this perhaps inspired you to look deeper inside and make the choice, make the decision to end your fight with pornography and masturbation forever. Guys, Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you are notified every time a new video is released. Also, if you find value in this video, like it, share it with somebody that you know could also benefit from it as well. But we'll be back tomorrow with another video. But ultimately, guys, today, you must decide to end your fight in battle with pornography and masturbation for good. Frank Rich, I'll see you on the other side.